Hello everyone, today we are going to see the charging and discharging of any lithium ion, lithium phosphate or lead acid battery pack using this charge and discharge tester machine. So first of all, the maximum voltage that it can provide is 99 volt and the minimum voltage range is 9 volt. Okay, so it's range from 9 volt to 99 volt. And the charging current, the maximum it supports is 10 ampere and discharging current it supports 20 ampere. So there are different modes to use this machine. You can see here at the top of the machine there is a brief description of the modes. So you can see that for discharging a battery pack you will use 01 mode 1, and for charging a battery pack you will use mode 2. And there is also a loop, okay, and inquire. There are 4 modes, but currently I am going to tell you only the charge and the discharge, that how you can use it to charge and discharge a battery pack. So now I am going to show you how to use the charging using this machine. So for that I have got here a 16S battery, lithium ion battery. I'm going to show you how to use this machine to charge or discharge a battery pack. So first of all, connect the terminals of the battery to this probe. Remember not to short circuit positive and negative terminals. As soon as I have connected this probe, you will see the current voltage. It will show here 67.87 volt. This is the current volt of this battery pack. So first of all I am going to show you how to discharge this, because it is already at the maximum voltage. So I am going to first of all discharge this. So you can see here, for discharging you will need to go to mode number 1. So first of all you will have to select the mode 1. For selecting the mode, you will press this button. After pressing, you can see that this one is highlighted here. This is the mode. So if you will turn this knob right or left, it will change the mode of this machine. So as I told you that I want to discharge this battery pack, so I will use the mode number 1. So after putting 01 here, simply press this knob, and after pressing, now you will have to tell the which you want to discharge this battery pack. So for 60 volt we can set lower voltage of 48 volt, and to set that you will have to turn it around up to 48 volt. So after having a 48 volt here, again press the button. Now it is showing the current, that at what current level you want to discharge this battery pack. Currently it is at 20. If you want to discharge it at 15, simply turn the knob and set it at the 15. This machine supports maximum 20 ampere discharge current. So now it is at maximum 20 ampere. So we want to discharge the battery at 20 ampere current, discharge current. Again press this button, and now it is ready to use. Simply now what you require is just to press this red button. As you press the start button, you can hear the sound of the fans. Okay, currently this machine is running and it is discharging the battery pack, and that's why you can see the decrement in the voltage here, 64.32, and it is getting down and down, and the constant current that it is taking from the battery pack is around 20 ampere. So you can see that as we have given 48 volt as the lower cutoff of the battery pack, so this voltage will drop to the 48 volt, and as soon as this voltage will reach to the 48 volt, this machine will stop discharging process. Okay, so you can see here some other parameters, like it is saying 01. it is showing the time, and 01 means currently 1 minute is running or going on. Okay, 1 minute has passed, and till now the capacity that we have taken from the battery pack is 0.5 Ah, and you know, this is the cutoff voltage, this is the discharge current, and you can see that gradually the voltage is decreasing, 63.1110. all right, after certain time this will change as time will pass, and this will increase. For example, if you are testing a 24Ah battery pack, then after discharging you should have 24 value here. It should show 24Ah. Now we are going to charge this battery pack. So first of all, stop this machine. Now in order to charge, you will have to give the upper cutoff voltage, up to what voltage you want to charge this battery pack. So in this condition I am going to give 68 volt, right? So for that you will have to turn the knob. So by using this knob you can set it to the 68 volt, but as I forgot to change the mode, so currently this is in the discharge mode. So first of all you will need to change the mode, and you can see here that to charge the battery pack you need mode number 2. So first of all we will change the value 01 to the 02 here. So now it is 2, and you can see 2 is here and 2 is the charging mode. You can see a charge symbol here, right? Now we will change the voltage, upper cutoff voltage up to which we want to charge our battery pack, and this is 68 volt. So after having 68 volt, again we will press this button. Now this is the maximum current, maximum 10 ampere current this device can deliver to the battery pack. You can change this, you can change it up to 0.10 ampere, sorry 0.5 ampere, right? So currently I am going to charge this battery pack with a current of 5 ampere. After pressing this knob, again you can see that this value is showing 0.10. You will have to tell the machine that up to what current level you want to supply the current. As we know that in CC CV charging, when the battery pack reaches up to the voltage 67 volt, that means around 95% of the maximum voltage, then it turns the charging from CC to CV mode. In that case the current gradually decreases. So up to what current level you want to charge this pack, you will have to specify here. So currently I am going to keep this at 1 ampere. Simply put a 1 here and again press the button. Now simple press this red one. Your battery pack will start charging, and you can see the voltage rising here. It will charge up to 68 volt, and as soon as the battery will reach up to the 68 volt, it will stop, and you can see the charging capacity here. So this was the charging and discharging mode of this machine. Okay.